What is your name? My name is Santa Claus. What's his name? His name is Stephen. What's her name? Her name is Flavia. What is your first name? My first name is John. What's your surname? My surname is Smith. What's your dog's name? My dog's name is Spotty. What's your mum's name? My mum's name is Kirsty. What's your brother's name? My brother's name is David. What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 01415 62698. What is your address? My address is 58 Wallace Avenue, Edinburgh, ED15 9HP. What's your nationality? I'm Scottish. What's your native language? My native language is English. What's your email address? My email address is johnsmith@yahoo.co.uk. What is your date of birth? My date of birth is the 12th of July, 1992. What is your favourite sport? My favourite sport is football. What colour is your hair? My hair is black. What colour is the car? The colour of the car is red. What colour are Lisa's eyes? Her eyes are blue. What's in the bag? There's food waste in the bag. What's in the box? There's a dog in the box. What's on the desk? There's a laptop on the desk. What's in the fridge? There's food in the fridge. What's in the bottle? There's a woman in the bottle. What's in the basket? There are clothes in the laundry basket. What's in the wardrobe? There are clothes in the wardrobe. What's on the plate? There's food on the plate. What's in my hand? There's a phone in my hand. What's the problem? I've got a headache. What is wrong with you? I've got a sore back. What's the matter? I've got toothache. What time is dinner tonight? Dinner's at 9 o'clock tonight. What time's your class? My class is at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. What time's your flight? My flight's at 7 o'clock tonight. What time's your train? My train's at 4 o'clock this afternoon. What time's the meeting? The meeting's 3:30 today. What is the capital city of England? London is the capital city of England. What is the currency of the United States of America? The currency of the USA is the dollar. What is the name of the highest mountain in the world? The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. What is an orange? It's a fruit. What is a donkey? It's an animal. What's on TV tonight? There's nothing interesting on TV tonight. What's the movie about? It's about aliens taking over the world. What's that for? You can open tins with it. What's the price of this? The price is £25. What's the score? It's 2-0 to Scotland. It's 0-0. Scotland are losing. What's for dinner? Steak pie. What is that smell? What's the answer? The answer is 6. What's the Wi-Fi password? The Wi-Fi password is password. What's the diagnosis, doctor? You're going to live. What's your shoe size? My shoe size is 9. What's today's special? Today's special is spaghetti bolognese.